So people, just if you want to jump online and kind of make a quick update, right? Boy, me no feel so good. It's about April last year, somewhere around there. So I myself can't sleep, tired and all sorts of things, and it look like it kind of catch up on me, you know. So right now, I just feel mash up physically. That's content you see me upload for a little while, cause as me say, I honestly feel mash up, and me feel like I just need to just take some time and just rest. Some time off from work, some time off from YouTube, some time off when me dey home. Just take some time and rest, because me just get my daughter and me no want to drop out before me even see she start go to school. You see what I'm saying? Right now, the way me feel right now, I'm mash up. Yo, you, me have a bad day, no, don't share with me. Right? So, yeah. That is what it is. But to be truthful, I might continue Mite. So you guys just look over. Anyways, people, just to make you know, so if you don't see anything coming from me, I'm not feeling any better. Alright. Now let's go, Tumbos! So this is a short dance. Quick. Nothing special. Yeah. Where key there? What the keys? What the other keys? No, as in where are they? I don't know where they are. I don't know where they're kept either. No, me don't know them keep. Remember I don't have a locker for myself. If Miss Dixon were here, she could have probably tell you where it is, but she's not. Kind of what you get for being, you know. I just lost the keys like that, man. Like, what the hell? You're the people who I supposed to entrust my day-to-day life with. How did I get the cream of the crop? Alright, so you can do something. Forever. Respawn with 0 shields now. Yo, King Larry, what's good? Welcome to the stream, bro. How art thou doing on such a fine afternoon? Larry, me there. Just to tell people, say, yo, this might be the last piece of content I'm gonna put out for a while. Like, me need to take a break. Like, I don't know if you realize it, but it's kind of like almost non-stop uploading for the past 2 years. And I know I say that's because of everything. The odd thing, because after I leave work, I go home. And after I go home, it's like straight editing for some hours a night, you understand? Sorry brother, I'm streaming. I just couldn't take a chance. Right? Alright. Where was I? Yes. Right. So, like, me just you know, push my body to the limit for the past 2 years. You know, wake up early, stream, go bed late. Oh, there was 3 of them. Alright. I wasn't in that fight. Yeah, so I push my body to the limit and I do all of these things and things. So myself to take my confidence out, which I have a problem with because like I want to reach 1,000, I want to get monetized, I want to start make little royalties off it. I want to can take that royalties and put back in the channel, make the channel better, put some more better content out there, buy some stuff, give away and everything. You understand what I'm saying? So, like me don't have a problem with it. My only problem is that right now I feel really such a care for my body because I feel like I just need to take some time off. You understand? So there's no guarantee as to how long I'm gonna take as time off, but when me I go come back, I'm not absolutely sure. Right? But if me I go come back, that is a 100% yes. Like I love YouTube, YouTube in my life. I'm to build YouTube in my life now, brother. Right? So I can't see myself now as a life, but I can't YouTube. You understand? I just can't see it. Right? That's like how me used to be a bodybuilder at one point in time. Me used to exercise, and like since me get injured, me can't exercise again, and like my mind, it just mess up my mind. You understand? Sorry. Wait, I'm never supposed to get on sniper elimination. Alright. There we go. Somebody else snipe on something? Alright, so just do some more assault rifle damage and then we'll call it a day, huh? Hey, hello Tumbo. Hi. Hi. But like me don't have headphone and fully eat, so like I can stop laughing. I can be serious. Still tough at sniping. Alright. Come on. Don't bother make this hard up on you, we. Those inches there, that was inches. Forward, we should have continued step fast. No idea. You want to really chip walk on right here. Me there. Chip. Right me there, so brother, me feel, my body feel kinda mash up and run down from it get sick out December, you see me, so I feel like the best alternative to me is to just take some time off, you understand? One more type of weapon, SMG, I guess. Maybe not 3 weeks, but like me say, I don't know. 3 weeks is the maximum I think would have take for me to feel back to at least 80%. That 80% is a number we can work with, you understand? Right? Because I haven't felt 100% since like 2002. Sorry brother, you killed me and the party. Come on, give me it. Alright. You know make it look like me can't snipe so. Take up all measures. Take up. As I say, I don't know how long. I honestly don't know how long, right? Whenever I feel, whenever my eyes don't feel puffy, my head not hurt me. I don't feel like, you know, body I try to fight itself. Stop lag! Stop lag! Anyways, yeah, whenever my body don't feel like my head hurt me or the part of me I mash up, then me actually start feeling better. But until then, more than likely, never just stay off of it. So as I say, I schedule myself for 3 weeks, you understand? That's my schedule. When me feel safe. Yeah, okay. It's 3 weeks, right? You're lucky at Tombo. You're lucky at Tombo. No. You don't care. Look at the exposed. Yes, Tombo. You did that. You did that. You bring that down on yourself. I had nothing to do with that. You brought that down on yourself. You brought that down on yourself, Atumba. I had nothing to do with that. So like me say, that's just it, right? You know most of you can understand what me really am sure about this. You understand? Might not be the popular decision. Might not be the popular decision, but the decision that has to be made. So that's you know, alright, there we go, alright. Now we can start playing like nothing. Yeah, Fortnite I play now. Right. Oh! Someone ladybug I do. Ladybug kill the guy! Hey, bombat! Ladybug I do. Hold on the people. me, how they stay? Then soon done? Alright, where you see man in there? Oh shit. Oh, alright, my fault. Oh. Alright. Where are we? God damn it, turn back for 1 second, I'll start load. Where is it? No, time system not set up yet. Alright. So let me just quickly do a run through of a lot of things. 101, how they get 101 points? Me know some of me want to see that. Alright. So let me quickly explain some stuff, right? Let me even turn up my volume too, so I can fully understand what I say, right? Alright. So catch it 100 now, right? Not only me feel sick, right? But on top of me feeling sick, the internet issue. So what I have to do, forget internet, if you can play internet, play Fortnite and play other games and get content you can put out on the channel. It's a lot, you understand? And me have to do up and down, me have to travel, me have to spend. It's a whole heap of things it takes to put the content out to Uno. And as me say, me enjoy doing it and me not necessarily have a problem doing it. But my body itself feel messed up. I don't know what it is, me need to sort it out. And as soon as me get that sorted out, me can go back to being the regular content king. So there's a whole heap of plans me did have and then cancelled. So yeah, you just know that too. What go on DJ? DJ, what go on? DJ, what go on?
Yeah, and I hear it.
Yeah, me hear you now. Alright, DJ, me play one quick one shot mode. And when me dead. Now go after this. Yeah.
Yo, what do you think about a montage what you do?
The one where you put up?
Yeah.
Yeah man, it's up man. You like it? I think me the comment, if me no comment, I apologize. Sometimes I'm too tired for comment now, youth. I just watch and say, yeah, this good. How them get 101? Because them a hack. Also, Fortnite can't really do much so well, you know. I mean, it's a good game, but them can't do much so well, and you know that too. So, yeah. That's how them get a 101. Right.
We didn't see a comment.
Huh?
Yeah, we didn't see a comment.
Oh, alright, good guys. Now I try to remember if me did comment, because sometimes me don't comment. You see me? So, as me speak right now, me actually a pack up. Me actually a pack up to go home. Right. Yo, JJ Stokes, what's good, man?
What's up, man?
I'm here, man. I'm kicking off for a small stream before I actually get home, man. Cool, yo. So you could just say hi to YouTube and the rest of them, man. Yeah, we're going retail. Alright, let's do this at some more. Oh, where's that guy moving so fast? Chopper. Yeah, Chopper, now go home. I'm not at home, Chopper.
What are you speaking?
Speaking Jamaican.
What's that?
I'm speaking Jamaican. It's what we call patwa.
Oh, you're Jamaican?
Yeah,
Like one Fosse.
Me there, you know, brother, me there.
Slow bit. Shit.
I ain't got no gun.
Me too. There ain't no guns
Yo.
inside.
Yo, JJ Stokes, what's good, bruh?
Shotgun fire.
Alright,
Not
DJ.
much, cuz.
DJ, I pray. Oh, DJ. Head west. Let's head west. JJ, let's head west. We could go to the
West?
yeah, west. We could go to where the broken houses are. There's probably some guns over there.
I hope there is.
Oh my.
Damn.
The dude literally no scope me. What the?
Probably that hunting rifle, man.
Yeah. Hunting rifle's the beast in this mode.
Yeah, JJ Stroh.
Uh,
Yeah, you trying to be my partner, bro? I need a partner to do a duo scrim.
Where are the guns?
when is it?
I think it's already started, man. Where are the guns? Not home in the US.
What'd you say, JJ?
I would. I'll do it.
You'll do it? I bet. I sent you a friend request so when you go to the lobby, invite me and then do in that duo scrim.
Hold on. Alright.
Let's go to the Leaky.
Yeah, I think they nerfed this mode, yo. There ain't no guns anywhere.
That's what I'm saying. It's
You mean
too
that?
hard.
You mean there's no chest? How do you chest?
Nah, there's no guns. We just landed 2 buildings, but there's no guns.
Yeah, we
It's like
staying.
3 years worth of ammo, but no guns, man.
Bro.
Alright, look at it. We're at Leaky now. Look at that. See that? That's ammo. That is ammo. That over there is also ammo. You see that? You see that?
We got
Oh
one
no,
gun
JJ,
right here.
look. Northwest. It's also
See
ammo.
one
Yeah, there's a dude there. And look, it's also ammo.
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah. You be too because where they tell you and the rifle?
Where's the
Oh
dude
yeah,
at?
that's it. Do not shoot me.
You be too because what they want to do?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, you got a scope one right here.
Yeah.
You got one yet?
Yeah, I found a scope. What was that one dude?
Oh, he went. Oh.
Yeah, I see him.
He's right there.
Oh my god, I can't do that scope shit. Fuck.
Yo, JJ.
Nope.
Would you say you up for the duo scrim shit?
Yeah, why not?
I bet. Yeah. Send me an invite when you go back in.
I got you. Shit, like a hunting rifle.
Knew it was gonna get me. Alright, that's it.
Damn.
Yeah, if I had a hunting rifle, it would be dead.
Alright, man, I'll see y'all.
Alright, GG's. Alright, people. You know, easy if you say, but yeah. I'm catching as soon as we feel better. So yeah, hibernating time. Yeah, big man, but boy, I feel a way, bro. So DJ, hating him.
They probably better accept the invite.
Yeah, people, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys can know whenever it is that I come back to YouTube. It's Triple S Storm, people. And the bigger Tumbo just gone for a minute.